Kitchen countertop, showcasing the sleek and modern Ninja cookware set. Narrator, welcome to the world of culinary perfection with the Ninja NeverStick Professional 16-piece pots and pans set. If you have ever struggled with sticky pans that ruin your cooking experience, this is the solution you've been looking for. Sizzling in a Ninja cookware frying pan. Narrator. This set is not just for professional chefs, but for anyone who values high-quality cookware that makes cooking a breeze. Whether you're a busy parent juggling meal prep with a hectic schedule, or a cooking enthusiast looking to elevate your skills, the Ninja NeverStick Professional set is here to revolutionize your kitchen experience. Together, showcasing the versatility of the Ninja cookware set. Narrator, let's dive into the main benefits and features of this amazing cookware set. The Ninja NeverStick Professional set includes everything you need for everyday cooking tasks. From a versatile stock pot to convenient saucepans with glass lids. The non-stick coating ensures food slides right off the pan, making cleanup a breeze. Pancake in a Ninja cookware frying pan. Narrator. Say goodbye to scrubbing and soaking pans for hours on end. With Ninja cookware, you can spend more time enjoying your delicious meals and less time doing dishes. The durable construction of these pots and pans means they can withstand the test of time, ensuring you'll get years of use out of them. Ninja cookware set on different stovetops. Narrator, one of the best features of the Ninja NeverStick Professional set is its compatibility with all stovetops, including gas, electric, and induction. This means you can use these pots and pans no matter what type of stove you have, making them a versatile addition to any kitchen. Ninja cookware pan, showcasing the difference in non-stick performance. Narrator, in comparison to traditional cookware, Ninja cookware stands out for its NeverStick technology that truly lives up to its name. The innovative design ensures that even the stickiest of foods glide effortlessly off the pan, giving you perfect results every time. Experience using the Ninja cookware set. Customer. I've been using Ninja cookware for a few months now, and I have to say, it has completely transformed my cooking experience. The non-stick surface is a game changer, and I love how easy it is to clean. I highly recommend this set to anyone looking for quality cookware that delivers on its promises. Narrator, whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast for the family or trying out a gourmet recipe for a special occasion, Ninja cookware has you covered. The possibilities are endless with this versatile set that simplifies cooking and elevates your culinary skills. Cooked meal in Ninja cookware. Narrator, don't settle for subpar cookware that leaves you frustrated and disappointed. Upgrade to Ninja NeverStick Professional 16-piece pots and pans set and experience the joy of cooking like never before. Displayed in all its glory. Narrator, take the first step towards culinary perfection with Ninja cookware. Order your set today and discover a world of possibilities in your kitchen. Make every meal a masterpiece with Ninja cookware. Because cooking should be a pleasure, not a chore. The link below to order your Ninja NeverStick Professional 16-piece pots and pans set now and start your culinary journey today. Happy cooking!